Jamie at shopmask.com and welcome to another MASC Minute. So one of the most common questions that I get asked in the store is, what do I use? So Patrick recently did a video showing what he has in his medicine cabinet, so I figured I would do the same. So I will make a disclaimer by first of all saying that I like to switch things up a lot. So if you were to ask me in a month's time or 2 months' time what's in my medicine cabinet or in my shower, it'll probably be somewhat different. So this is not an indication of what I use all the time, this is just what I happen to be using right now. So yeah, as I get older I find less is more, so for me this is less, I guess. I'll start at the top shelf. Hair products, I have a couple more MOTLEY ones, the Treatment Styling Balm and the TSBO2. Patrick recently did a video on TSBO2, it's their newest one, so you can check that out if you want to hear about that one. And then I also have the Imperial Matte Pomade Paste. The only one that I'm actually using right now is the Triumph Disaster Cari Tonic. It's a sea salt tonic. So I'm using that on a daily basis, and then I'm trialing some other products that we don't currently sell. I'm just testing them out, so those are not going to be in the video, they shall remain nameless. But yeah, so right now that's what I'm doing for hair stuff. I have a couple masks that I do use on a regular basis. I have the Grown Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask, which we did a video on recently as well. The Brightening Enzyme Mask, which Patrick has too. My jar is fuller. It's just a good, nice, quick, easy mask. And then lastly, the URTH Hydrotherapy, which is a similar kind of, it's also like a hydrating kind of deal. Looks like that. I actually do need to get a clay mask. That's the one kind of mask that is missing from my assortment, so I'm gonna grab one of those soon. Not a big fragrance guy, but I have a few. I have the Nasomatto Black Afghano, which is a super popular one. And then I have a FULTON and ROARK Solid Cologne. This one is Perpetua. These are great for travel. And then probably my favorite scent of all time. I have it in the Eau de Parfum and the perfume oil from MALIN+GOETZ, the dark brown scent. It is my favorite for sure. Moving down to the next shelf, I have two deodorants here. I have one really bust up, Pit Control, I dropped it. This is scented with their Turbo Wash scent, which is one of our top selling scents in the body wash. And then I'm also trialing, I will mention this with this one because we sell the brand Ursa Major. This is their Sublime Sage Spray Deodorant. Not currently available in Canada. Ursa Major, if you're listening, please hurry up, bring it to Canada, we're waiting. Same goes for the new face lotion that you guys have. Canada wants it. So yeah, the Pit Control, going back to that one that we actually do have, this is a really good natural alcohol aluminum-free stick. Most of our deodorants are in this category. Moving along to more skincare stuff, I have the NIOD Hydration Vaccine. Like I read there, it's almost done. Yeah, it's basically just like a hydration seal for your skin. It helps to keep the moisture in, like it always acts like a barrier. And then another one of my favorites, which you probably will always see in my cupboard, is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel. It's a 2-step peel system that they have. Great for resurfacing, exfoliating, just making the skin look fresh and bright all the time. I do also have their, this is the professional strength version of that peel, which we don't sell either. In terms of razors, these I keep in my shower, but I just brought them out for the video. So I have my MERKUR 38C, which I did a video on recently. And then we also have the, or I also have the Supply razor, which is a single-edge cartridge injection razor recently featured on Shark Tank. And then for the occasional blemish, I have my trusty Evolution Man Conceal and Treat Stick. It's an acne or blemish concealer. Contains a little bit of salicylic acid, which helps to treat the blemish at the same time, which is nice. It looks like a stick like that. I've had this for a long time. It seems to never run out for some reason. Moving down to the next shelf, MARVIS. This is the toothpaste I'm currently using. Orange Blossom is the scent. We did a video on the new ones, the 4 new flavors recently, so check that out. Go back a few videos. And then on to some more face stuff. I have a couple of, well, 3 under eye products actually. 1, MALIN+GOETZ Revitalizing Eye Gel. Number 2 is the ALCHEMIST Age Repair Eye Cream. And number 3 is the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Eye Cream. I use all of them. I take my under eye care seriously, almost as seriously as my hair care. So those are 3 of my favorites. I really like those ones. In terms of moisturizers, I have a few different ones right now. I have the Jack Black Clean Break Oil-Free Moisturizer for daytime use. It's just a really good lightweight moisturizer. Feels nice in the skin, it's like a gel. For nighttime, I have the Triumph and Disaster Dark Moon Hydrating Cream. As you can see, I'm almost out, but I have a backup jar there. Thank you, Triumph and Disaster, for that. And then I also have the Ire Biobotanics Omega Complex Night Cream, which I use occasionally. This is also an Australian brand, like Triumph and Disaster. And then I have my FOLIGAIN Advanced Hair Regrowth Treatment. This is a treatment that contains 5% minoxidil. Minoxidil is a clinically proven hair regrowth ingredient. And then it also contains something called trioxidil, which is a complex of 3 different ingredients that promote the health of the scalp and the follicle, the hair strands, etc. I've been using this for, well, pretty much since we've been carrying it, which has been a few years now, and I really like it. So in conjunction with that, moving on to my shower stuff, I'm actually a little low on shampoo and conditioner right now. All I have right now is the FOLIGAIN shampoo. I have a shampoo that I was trialing from a brand we don't sell, which is why I'm low. And then same thing for the conditioner. I'm trialing a conditioner, which I am actually really fond of, so hopefully we can get it, but they aren't applying, so we'll see. Face wash, this is definitely my favorite, MALIN+GOETZ Grapefruit Face Cleanser. Hard one for me to beat. And then I have my Jack Black Turbo Wash. Turbo Wash is a really popular scent. That's the same scent as the Pit Control. This is one of my most popular shower gels. For shaving cream, right now I have the URTH Shave Formula. It's a lathery cream, but it's not as frothy as some of our others. You can use it with or without a brush. And then I do also have their scrub in the shower. What else do I have? Oh, MALIN+GOETZ again, Peppermint Body Scrub. That guy there, if I want to do a little bit exfoliation. What else? I have 2 body lotions right now. The MALIN+GOETZ Vitamin B5. You can kind of see it there. It's almost empty. And then I have this ALCHEMIST Soothing Body Gel Lotion. I'm actually using this, I'm getting a tattoo removed over here. So I'm actually using this as a post-tattoo removal treatment. It's really good for helping to sort of soothe irritated or burnt skin, which is basically what I'm doing to my skin when I'm removing the tattoo, is burning it. And then I have the Vitamin B5 hand treatment from MALIN+GOETZ as well, if I want a little bit more intensive hydration. So yeah, there's a few other things, but that's the gist of it. Like I said, I like to switch it up. I think it's good to change products in your routine on a regular basis. Your skin can adjust over time to certain things, so it's always good to give it a bit of a shock and try something different, or at least it works for me, so maybe try that for yourself. All these products are available on shopmasc.com, and I believe that they will be tagged in this video, hopefully. And of course, you can see them in the shop in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.